actual snowstorm. This is that snow hurricane or whatever the heck the really smart weathermen call these things. So we are expected to get about somewhere around a foot. So it's snowing pretty good now. This is what about an inch an hour looks like, in case you've never seen that. So this isn't too bad. I mean, inch an hour is a pretty good fall rate, but they are expected somewhere around 2 inches. That's when it gets tough to keep up with, even with this setup. So, just want to say Happy New Year. Hope you had a good holiday. Hope you had some time off. Got to relax. So, I got a new camera for Christmas. So hopefully we're going to get some better quality. I wasn't happy with some of my more recent videos and the quality. So I'm going to shoot everything in 4K now. I don't know if it'll get uploaded in 4K, but if I start off with a higher quality, hopefully it ends up higher quality at the end. So I got the new GoPro Hero 6 Black. So it's a pretty cool camera. I'll show it to you here once I make a round. So also get some new editing software. I know I get a lot of questions. What do I use? I use Adobe Premiere Pro, and I just got the Creative Cloud, which is the latest and greatest one. So it's a monthly payment type thing. So, but it's nice. They always keep it updated with the latest and greatest stuff. So hopefully you see an improvement in the quality, video quality of my videos. Hopefully you always see an upgrade in content. Hey cat, if you're watching, can you give me more than 2 settings on my windshield wiper? That'd be nice. So I don't have to listen to that. So, I know a lot of you enjoy the plowing videos, I know a lot of you don't, so to be honest with you, plowing videos are very tough, because you really do the same thing over and over and over again. So to be quite honest with you, I think it is pretty boring. So I try and mix it up, give you guys a time lapse, give you a plowing video like this. Try to mix up the angles. The biggest problem is I can't, when it's snowing, I can't put the camera outside because it looks like crap. Because the camera doesn't have a windshield wiper like my front windshield does. And the camera just gets all wet, even though it's waterproof. And it's in a case, you just can't see anything. So it's actually very hard to try and make something interesting. So I was thinking maybe this would be a good time to answer some of your guys' questions. So I was thinking if you guys could ask me questions down in the comments below, and then maybe each time I can plow, I'll write them down and try and go through a list for you. I don't know. Always looking for suggestions. If you got a better idea, let me know. But I always try and keep it interesting for you. I will be mixing in a lot of videos from this past year. I was extremely busy this year with work. So I have a ton of videos that I just never had time to edit. So you might see some videos this winter of me in the summer and be very confused, but that's why they're coming out. So I'll pull over here and park. So, let's see if we can get this out. We'll go behind the camera. So I get a lot of questions, how do I mount my camera and what do I use? So using a GoPro, suction cup mount, goes right in the housing. That's the new housing. The new camera is actually waterproof, which is pretty sweet. And yeah, so that's literally how I get every single video, is with this GoPro and a suction cup mount. So I just kind of stick it wherever to get that angle. So how about this inside the loader? So cooler over here, got extra water, got a nice metal Encon water bottle, which is cool. Probably one of the best things about this loader, nice spot to put your cooler, so it's not up here by your feet getting in the way. Very, very nice. What else do we got in here? I got a book. If you know anything about me, I hate reading, but I do find these books about, this one's about Steve Jobs, and read one about Elon Musk as well. Both pretty cool books, so cool to hear their stories. Cell phone charger, keys to my car, wallet. I don't like sitting on it all storm. We got snacks. I got sandwiches in my cooler. This is gonna be a long storm. Let's see what we got for snacks. Recently hooked on these. They're pretzels with peanut butter filling. I don't know if you guys ever tried them, but they're pretty awesome. These are literally the greatest chips ever. But I'm pretty sure after you eat a bag, it takes a year off your lifespan. And what else we got? Keebler Elf cookies. Always a solid choice. Got some Skittles. All highly nutritious food we have here, obviously. Some fruit snacks. What are these? Oh, root beer, hard candies. Nature Valley grain bars. Throw these back in. What else do we have? I got a hat. I got an awesome cat jacket that is waterproof, windproof, very heavy jacket. Absolutely love it. Probably the most important thing to have in a snowstorm or in the winter. Extra fuel filters for your machine. What else do I got in here? Broom, because I like to try and keep the machine clean. Extra windshield washer fluid. Some fluid film. Always a positive to have some of that. So, yeah, that's kind of behind the camera. Like I said, let me know if you guys got any questions. I can answer them in the video for you. It doesn't really matter what's about. Try and answer anything. I'll show you this GoPro. This thing's pretty cool. Alright, so now I'm on my camera on the GoPro. So, here's the new 6. I think it's called Black. It's pretty nice. It's smaller. It's actually waterproof itself. So, before the housing had to be waterproof, but now this is, so pretty good. It's got a built-in screen, which was a big thing I think they needed. And it's touch screen, which is pretty cool. So this might be hard to do one-handed, but you can change the resolution right here. And so we're on 4K. This is going to be a terrible video. So you can swipe down, connections and preferences. This shows everything that is on your SD card, which is pretty cool. And you can watch. I still really don't know how to use this thing. There we go. So you can watch everything, delete it. Pro Tune. I don't really know what that does. Swiping up doesn't do anything. But yeah, so if you like change this to 1080 HD, and then you can change the frames per second. or your field of view. So super view gives you a little bit wider. So I'm I think pretty happy. We'll see what it does in terms of video quality here. If this video comes out, I'll be super pumped for how it looks. So yeah, I like this because it does it'll take regular pictures, it'll do the video that you guys all see, and it'll do the time-lapse as well. So I use this camera for everything. I mean, if you guys just wanted to make time-lapse videos, you know, there's dedicated cameras out there that people make for just time-lapses. So there might be something better, but I like it because it does everything. And it's small, easy to use. I can bring it in my cooler every day to work, and I don't really have to worry about it getting damaged. So yeah, hopefully that answered some of your questions. I know I get a ton of those about camera use and the editing program I use. So again, that's Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a pretty powerful editing program. Definitely worth it if you're making a lot of videos. Does a really nice job. But yeah, that's it for this video. Again, let me know if you guys got any questions, what you like to hear about, talk about. I don't know. If you don't want me to make videos anymore, whatever you guys want to tell me, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching as always. See ya.